Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kina Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to do investments, how to start dollar arbitrage, how to start your own online company. Yeah, so I've been receiving a lot of comment that, well, bro, how can I receive Bitcoin in my Exness account? Because when you open Exness account, it looks like it's only USDT, blah 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 blah. So today I want to show you how you can receive and send Bitcoin from Exness or receive Bitcoin in Exness. How we get it? Yeah. So you see Exness, when it comes to Exness, this how Exness account looks like. Yeah. And you see that this one is my trade account, and I have $214 in it. Yeah. And when you are sending money, you see that it's like it only appears in USDT because, like, let's say if I want to send even money to, you see that you will not see any Bitcoin wallet over here. So people think that they can't receive money or they can't receive Bitcoin in their Exness account. Yeah. But today I want to show you how you can use your Exness account to receive Bitcoin. But before I will do this, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you like and share, and don't forget to also share your comments. Yeah. So when I come to Bitcoin, my account, this is my account. This is my account. Bitcoin is a trading app. Yeah. So we have crypto wallets. That one they just introduced. So it's a new one. At first, you can't use Exness to receive Bitcoin at first. But right now they have introduced crypto wallets, investment wallets, and things. So I want to take this chance to educate you on this. Yeah. So when I come to crypto wallet, this is my crypto wallet. It's loading. So you will use this one to receive BTC. That's Bitcoin. Have you seen that you have Bitcoin over here? Yeah. So my BTC wallet is what? Is zero. So when have you seen the USD over here? So it will convert the BTC to what? To the USDT. So the amount of BTC you have here will convert into USD over here. I hope you get it. Yeah, so let me show you how you can receive Bitcoin in your Express account. You see that we have withdrawal, we have transfer, and we have deposit. So you go to deposit. So deposit, everything that we have, you can change it over here. But I will say that this one is my what? My crypto wallet. So the USDT will not appear here. Only the what? The BTC. That's the Bitcoin. Yeah. Everything in Bitcoin. Yeah. Now go to continue. So they will generate my BTC wallet address for me. So this is my BTC wallet address. So all I will do is what? Copy this address and go to, let's say, if someone wants to send me the Bitcoin, I'll send this wallet to that person, and the person will send money through my Bitcoin address, and I'll receive the money here. And sorry, if like I want to withdraw the money, the Bitcoin from other platform, I'll copy this one and go to that platform to Bitcoin, and I will input this address over there to receive the money in my account. So when I go to my account, I'll come to my wallet, crypto wallet, and you see that the money you will receive will appear over here. It will appear over here, and it will automatically what convert into USD for you to know the kind of like the amount of BTC you have in your wallet. You see, this one is a new thing that they just introduced. A lot of people were thinking they can't use Exness to receive BTC, and that's why I'm doing this video. Yeah. So if you want to withdraw your BTC from this platform, or you want to transfer it, so let's go to the transfer. So if I say transfer, do you understand the meaning of transfer? You don't. So transfer means that you want to transfer the BTC to different accounts. So I've written that I have three accounts over here. I have the MT5 is what my trading account, and the IB is what my partnership account. I have a draw. It's right now I have 0.16, and this. So it means that if I click here, that means I want to transfer my BTC to USDT. Do you understand? So let's say I want to, like, I'll enter, let's say 3. You see, I don't have enough BTC in my account, but I want to show you something. So the transfer means that it's in the same account. It means that you want to transfer, or you want to convert the BTC to, let's say, USDT. So right now, if I do this one, that means I'm converting the BTC to what, to USD. And in Exness, the USD is the same as USDT in Exness. If you see USD, it's the same as USDT in Exness. Yeah. So it means that I'm converting the BTC to what, to USDT. So it means that it will add up. If I do this and I come to Bitcoin and I say that I want to transfer, let's say 200, I want to continue, automatically the USDT will convert to what, BTC. Do you understand it? To convert to what, BTC. You let me use one pair for example. So I've written it. So the amount of USDT I'm transferring is 1, and conversion rate is what, 1 USD is equal to what, 0.00000. Is it that thing? Yeah. So it means that if I click on continue, I'll be having 0.000021230 BTC. Is it that thing? So let me continue and do for you to see. Continue. Better. So right now it means that what, I'm converting 1 USDT. Okay. So like, because my, like, I have to verify it. So they say that you are currently not eligible to withdraw with this method. You may withdraw with, okay. Because they just introduced this one, the USDT, the BTC. Because the USDT I receive on this platform, I receive through USDT wallet. So if I'm transferring, it will not work. But if I'm transferring you, like, Bitcoin to USDT, that one, it will work. I hope you get it. This is this is. Let me show you for you to see. So this one, like, this what it's supposed to do, from BTC to what, to USDT. But me doing this and doing that, I received this USDT, like, money from a USDT what, address. So me transferring this one to this one, it will not work. But me transferring Bitcoin to USDT, that one, it will work. Yeah. Okay. So they just introduced this one. So we are all learning. So if you want to withdraw your money from your USDT, like, you from your BTC account, this is how you go. You go withdrawal, the withdrawal. Then the wallet you want to receive the money in it. You go to that platform and copy the wallet, or when, if like you want to send to someone, that person will send you his or a BTC wallet. Then you copy it and you paste it over here, like, paste it over here like this. Then you enter the amount you want to share. Then you click on what to continue. Like how you are transferring USDT towards different wallets or different person. That's how it is. So I hope I've answered your question. Exness can receive Bitcoin. Exness can receive Bitcoin right now. Yeah, you can send Bitcoin to Exness right now. So people who have been asking me, bro, like, can I receive BTC in my Exness account? I hope this video have answered you very well. Yeah, so it means that Bitcoin is now available on Exness. So thank you for watching me and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.